Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, September 25th, 2020. Welcome to all of you. Yes, lifeguard Rosie. I'm swimming out to save you. Just hang on. I float pretty well in the water. Anyway, exciting day for me today. I finally got to the P.O. box yesterday, and I had to go through some renewal and some other things. I finally got things all squared away, and they handed over the booty of things that some of you wonderful subscribers have mailed to me. And I'm going to go through, I had to go through a series of packages here to get to it. But what I really love, I know I mentioned before that my favorite movie actor was Jimmy Stewart. Okay, and here's a nice 8x10 picture of him sitting on the movie set waiting to be called up, and he has a sign on as a do not disturb on the back of that, and he's on the it's really printed on really nice quality here, and it's beautiful print. Okay, I've got that, and there's more here, and I want to take good care of that and make sure that doesn't get scratched, because there's another remarkable one here too. And I'm a classic movie buff, right? And I enjoy that very much. Let me see if I can get this out of the package here. And here's another one. This is even more wonderful. Showcasing the great Jimmy Stewart. I need to do this carefully. Got to remove. This thing's got a little bit of tape that's holding it down. And here we go. And there we go. There's classic Jimmy Stewart, right? By the fireplace there. Isn't that great? Can't immediately remember the movie that's from, with Cary Grant and Katharine Hepburn in that movie. A wonderful letter from Vanilla Rain here, my wonderful friend down in the South. Beautiful letter. And she just says that the sunshine, it brightens a boring life in the South. And I want to thank you. This card really made me happy. Just thought I'd send you a little hello. And she is just a wonderful person. I love her on the screen. Now, we have the reveal, because look at this that was sent to me in here. Okay. And this is not sure if I want to open it up right now, but this is 2 picture frames in here that this subscriber, who I'll tell you in a second, was kind enough to send me. This even has the hardware included in it for 2 picture frames, and I'm so excited that not only do I have those pictures of Jimmy Stewart, but I have the frames to put them in. And I need to thank my wonderful friend Blackhearted. You see her in the chat. What a great person to take time and send out two collector, really high quality photos and picture frames to go with them. Blackhearted, you are an amazing person. And the day that you started coming into my chat, and along with quite a few others, was an amazing day for me. You bring that spirit. I know you've said my chat is like an escape from a lot of stuff that's going on in other places on YouTube. And I'm very honored by that. And I'm incredibly honored to be your friend, too. But wait, there's more. There was another package. And my friend Miguel Perez was kind enough also to send me a note, as Miguel often does. A wonderful person in the community that's followed my channel for a long time. Thank you, Miguel. And then something big came in here, and I'm not going to dox out the return address, but a wonderful note on here And I opened it, happy thoughts and good vibes. Something for you. We love watching your channel. Tim, Teresa, and Jonathan. Tim Martin, who is he's just such a cool subscriber and always chill and always very nice to me. And I just love him to pieces. And obviously, he has a great family. And let me see if I can get this open here, because this is really kind of cool. Yeah, there we go. I want to kind of do this carefully, because this is really something here. And this is something you don't see every. And I love this. Look at this, man. Look at this. I can't wait to hang this on the wall. Tim, you know I love you. I love your family. And look at that. Welcome to the ranch. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me turn this around so it sort of displays on the back here. Yeah, there we go. Might be able to see it a little better. Welcome to the ranch here. Of course, it's the Rancho, but that's pretty darn cool to have something that says welcome to the ranch. So I need to find a really cool place to hang that up. And isn't that unbelievably kind? Black-hearted, Vanilla Rain, and Miguel, and so many of you people, Tim Martin, just wonderful. So kind and so friendly, and I really do enjoy the support I get. In closing, thank you guys for that. And also, I've changed the P.O. box is the same, 8457. But now it's just to me, Rosie O'Kelly. So if you want to send any letters, Rosie O'Kelly, P.O. Box 8457, Santa Rosa 95407. With that, I'm going to close out with gratitude. And let's give a big thumbs up today for those wonderful people. And a thumbs up for yourself, too. Have a great rest of your Friday.